Hey friends, to minimize and maximize all open and inactive windows in Windows, then please watch this video. So first of all, to minimize all windows, simply press Windows plus M. Let me show you. Windows plus M, and all of these are minimized. Another way is to scroll your mouse to the absolute right bottom corner and then click on this option. It will bring you to the desktop. Okay, let me show you once again. It will bring you to the desktop and minimize all windows. And to maximize all windows, let me show you minimize first. To maximize all windows, press the Windows keys Shift plus M. Okay, this will maximize all windows. So the one at the front will be the one which is the most active one. And I have shared the shortcuts here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.